Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In this video, I'll show you how to draw and color a cute mushroom. It's super easy. Let's start drawing first. I draw its face. Next, I add some cute eyes. And a little mouth, just like this. Then I draw the mushroom's cap. On top of the cap, I draw a leaf. Look how nice it looks. Now I add lots of circles in different sizes all over the cap. Then I draw the mushroom's body. Behind it, I draw a few leaves to make it look like it's sitting in nature. Now I'm going to use this black marker to outline everything and make the drawing stand out. Let's start coloring. First, I use pink to color the cheeks right below the eyes. Then I color the mushroom cap red. For the face and the body, I use a light cream marker. And finally, I use a dark green marker to color in the leaves. Yay! Our cute mushroom drawing is almost finished. Great job, everyone! If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye!